Hello, HSE professionals. Welcome to hsebox.com, your trusted resource for all things related to health, safety, and environmental management. Today's topic was requested by a viewer, so we will be diving into an essential component of any construction project, the safety file. Whether you're new to the field or have years of experience, understanding how to compile a thorough and compliant safety file is critical to ensuring the long-term safety of any construction project. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a safety file that meets all legal and safety requirements, ensuring that your project's legacy is one of safety and care. Let's get started. What is a safety file? A safety file is a crucial document that compiles all health and safety information relevant to a construction project. Prepared by the project supervisor for the design process, PSDP, the safety file is handed over to the client upon the project's completion. It serves as a comprehensive record of the safety and health risks associated with the structure and its services, providing critical information for anyone responsible for future maintenance, repair, or additional construction work. The importance of the safety file cannot be overstated. It's not just a regulatory requirement, but an essential tool for preventing accidents and ensuring safe working conditions long after the original construction work is done. The safety file includes details about the design, construction processes, and any risks that may be encountered during future work on the structure. Without it, future workers could be exposed to unforeseen hazards, leading to preventable accidents. Step 1. Collecting necessary documentation. The first step in creating a safety file is gathering all relevant documentation from the construction process. This includes construction drawings, specifications, and bills of quantities that detail the work completed and materials used. These documents provide an essential reference for understanding the structure's integrity and the potential risks associated with its maintenance. Additionally, gather general design criteria, details of equipment and maintenance facilities, and any manuals or certificates from specialist contractors. These documents should include operating and maintenance procedures for installed equipment, such as lifts, electrical systems, or HVAC installations. For example, if the project includes a complex electrical system, the safety file should contain detailed maintenance schedules and operating procedures to ensure that future work can be done safely and efficiently. Step 2. Include health and safety information. A critical component of the safety file is the inclusion of all health and safety information. This section should document any identified hazards and the measures taken to mitigate them during construction. For example, if asbestos was discovered and safely removed, the safety file must include details about how it was handled and disposed of, providing essential information for any future work that may disturb similar materials. Moreover, include any maintenance procedures that involve health and safety risks. For example, if accessing a rooftop for maintenance requires special safety precautions, such as harnesses or guardrails, this information must be clearly documented in the safety file. This ensures that those responsible for future maintenance work are fully informed about the risks and necessary safety measures. Step 3. Organize the file for accessibility. Once you've gathered all necessary information, the next step is to organize the safety file in a way that is logical and easy to navigate. A well-structured safety file not only makes it easier for future users to find the information they need, but also ensures that critical safety information is readily accessible. Here's an example of a safety file index, organized according to best practices. 1. Project information. Project description. Project supervisor for the design process, PSDP details. Principal contractor details. 2. Health and safety files. Risk assessments. Method statements. Records of safety inspections. 3. Design information. Construction drawings, specifications, Design calculations. 4. Construction records, as-built drawings, materials used, test certificates. 5. Equipment and maintenance information, equipment manuals, maintenance schedules, warranty information. 6. Hazardous materials information, asbestos survey, for example, hazardous materials disposal records, safety data sheets, SDS. 7. Emergency procedures, fire safety plan, evacuation procedures, contact information for emergency services. 8. Training records, worker training certificates, safety training logs, induction records. 9. Miscellaneous, correspondence with contractors, permits and licenses, any additional relevant documentation. You can find this information on our website. Check the link in the description. Organizing the file in this way ensures that all relevant information is easily accessible, reducing the risk of important details being overlooked. This structure also ensures that future users can quickly find the information they need, whether they are planning maintenance work or responding to an emergency. Step 4. Review and finalize the safety file. Before handing over the safety file to the client, it's essential to review all the included documents and information. Make sure that everything is accurate, up-to-date, and complete. Any missing information could pose a significant risk during future work on the structure. It's also advisable to have the file reviewed by another HSE professional or a member of the project team to ensure nothing has been overlooked. This extra layer of scrutiny can help catch any potential issues before they become problems. Remember, the safety file is a living document that will serve as a critical reference for years to come, so accuracy and completeness are paramount. Step 5. Handover and future maintenance. After the safety file is finalized, it is handed over to the client, who is responsible for maintaining it. The client must ensure that the safety file is readily available to anyone who may need it for future maintenance or construction work. This ongoing responsibility is crucial for ensuring that the structure remains safe to work on long after the original construction project is complete. We have a question for you. What challenges have you faced when compiling a safety file, and how did you overcome them? Share your experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Creating a comprehensive safety file is an essential task that goes beyond mere compliance. It's about ensuring the long-term safety and integrity of a construction project. By following the steps outlined in this video, collecting necessary documentation, including detailed health and safety information, organizing the file for easy access, thoroughly reviewing the content, and properly handing it over, you can create a safety file that truly protects those who will work on the building in the future. Thank you for watching our guide on how to create a safety file. We hope you found this information valuable and applicable to your work. Please let us know your thoughts in the comments, including any topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and visit hsebox.com for more resources on health, safety, and environmental management. Stay safe, and see you in the next video.